What the fuck is y'all? Cause they know them niggas back and forth. I say, it's all fast, maybe niggas all trained. That's great, nigga, that's a small thing. Hit the nigga harder than that car play. You should have died then, man, you survived it. Crazy. You're gonna want to look through this telescope. Somewhere around there is you guys, and I can see that you haven't pressed the like button on this video. So what are you doing, guys? Come on, smash like. Anyway, I haven't even told you the best part, guys. Tonight we're gonna throw a massive party. We're gonna have lights across the entire garden. We're gonna have fun inside the pool. We're gonna have music booming so loud that even the neighbors are gonna want to come around and check on these guys. So it's even better. I know you remember the last time when Theo gave me a $5 million. Well, I've been filming a few music videos. Yes, that's what we're going to be taking tonight. Yeah, most of it was filmed in this room if you guys couldn't tell. There's my guitar, you know. So, the guys know it's going to be amazing. Honestly, I cannot wait to show you guys that. Here we go, guys. I think they're going to rise, guys. We're going to get DJs. And it's not any other DJ. This is the best DJ in Los Angeles. You're not the best DJ, you're Simeon. Simeon, what are you doing outside my house? I told you, again, I would not collect any more cars. You treat me terribly. Quadrillionaires. Really, there's quadrillionaires in Los Santos. I don't believe it, Simeon. How on earth are there quadrillionaires? Guys, I hardly believe there were even trillionaires in Los Santos last episode, yet alone quadrillion. I was thinking of quadrillionaires in the entire world. What are you talking about? I'm not disgusting about it. So now you have to stop doing that. Oh my days. I really couldn't find parties. I've got the best DJ Los Santos coming over tonight. I've got music videos debuting Simeon. I cannot afford to do this. But for $10 million, I'm sure we can make something after. House 2324 Vinewood Hills. I recognize this place. Oh my days. I was here the other day to collect the world's most expensive car. Yo, guys, okay, hang on a minute. Whatever they've got in here has to be worth a lot of money. They're quadrillionaires. Oh my days. They got a gym. They got a conference room. Dude, who has this up in their house? It's the orange left my door. Oh my days. Yeah, most of these cars already. People are actually so maybe just trying to like sneak in, take one of the cars and get out of there. Slowly, pressing without them looking any of them. What kind of? Oh my days. This is a solid gold car. I have no idea what it is. Okay, slowly. Don't let them notice you. Dude, this is what the inside looks like. Oh, it's a Lamborghini. Yo, this is an actual. I don't know what Lamborghini this is, but it looks crazy. Alright, slowly back it up. Slowly. Don't make a noise. Don't alert them. You don't want a 5-star wanted level today. Just keep on backing up. Well, I gotta say, this is a very, very futuristic looking Lamborghini. Is this thing even on the roads? Do you guys recognize this? Because honestly, I don't recognize this. Yo. Oh my days, guys. Check this out. Look at the doors. This is just incredible. So now we got the first car. Congratulations. I'm ready. Really. You're really. I got your first car. That's how it be. Oh my days. I just, you know, probably later again. I'm speaking of the next car. I can't really need to do it. Similar, many of some millionaire around here. That's not a real one. Oh my days. That does not look like a normal car. Let's come and tell you like, it's the Ferrari. Sorry about this. Yeah, this is awkward. Can you just get out? Thank you. He's not happy. He isn't happy. Oh my day. Oh, the dryer. No, Simeon better not go at me on this, guys. Oh my days. You didn't tell me he was gonna go after me. Jeez. Oh my days. Okay, I've ruined this car. It's done. It's done. It's ruined. This is such a nice car. I like it. Oh, sorry. I was just reviewing this car. You mind not getting in my way next time? See me drive down the road. Oh my days. Yeah, the tires are gone. They are so garbage. They are not working anymore. Simeon is not going to be happy about this. If he tries to bill me for this, I will very much hold up my case, guys. I'm not going to let him do that. He's done it before, and he will do it again. I gotta make sure he doesn't do that this time, guys. No, Simeon, I am not paying $30,000 for that repair. No, this is interesting. If we return the next vehicle in pristine condition, so it's not scratched, it's not dented, it's not even crashed at all, then he won't charge us $30,000. That's like, what kind of food do you guys now? It's a racing car. It's an actual racing car. These cars go for maximum speed. I've got a workshop out here. What is this? Screwdriver, pilot, camera, okay, so storage, oh my days, I don't see any keys here either. You guys see any keys? Guys, I haven't seen it. Why is it just okay, I'm gonna let you until you move. Go and move somewhere. Go outside for a exactly what we need. Oh, please, I got this, right? Let's go, run, you think you need to do something? In the car, quick! Oh, jeez, that's the check for you. Oh, my goodness! Okay, we're gonna get out of here, guys. If you want to take that $30,000 back, we're gonna go to the keep the leg, we can also get down to do anything, and then guys will take you down to go, oh my goodness, I really have to speed up in it.